Good morning, students. It's time for your continuation of your exercise. Last video we had learned the poem, and we hope you have started learning the poem by heart, children. And this time let's see how we are going to solve and discuss this exercise, and you are going to write and send me your answers. Open your book to page number 55. Here we go. Hold your pencil in your hand, children, and first we are going to read the vocabulary from this page. It's this way: bolt. So, bolt I had explained in my during the explanation of your poem. It's a long narrow piece of metal that one slides across the inside of a door or window in order to lock it. So, it's like you can give one more this synonym of it. Bolt means latch. So, hope you have got the picture of this bolt, how it looks if I gave the word latch. Okay, children. Now, come this, the next vocabulary is your broadcast. Broadcast means to publicize, to give it the news. When you read the news or when you see the news, actually it is broadcast, and you can hear it or you can see it, to tell a lot of people about something. This is the meaning given over here. Depths. Depth is the deepest part of something like the sea. Then you have your frowns or frowns. It's an expression when you are very angry. See what's written over here: angry, serious or worried expression on a person's face that cause lines on the forehead. Okay. So आपके माथे पे जब झुर्रियाँ आ जाती हैं, जब आप कुछ परेशान होते हो, उसको आप फ्राउनिंग बोलते हैं. हायर. हायर मीन्स, मैंने बोला था आपको पोएम में, पैसे दे के किसी से काम करवाते हैं, तो वो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? वी आर हायरिंग दैट पर्सन टू डू सम वर्क फॉर अस, टू गिव समबडी अ पर्टिकुलर जॉब एंड पे फॉर इट. होल्ड. टू कैरी समथिंग इन वंस हैंड्स और आर्म्स. आप किसी को पकड़ते हो, किसी चीज़ को पकड़ते हो, उसको मतलब आपने क्या किया है? यू हैव होल्डेड दैट थिंग इन योर hands. Yes, monster. Monster is a usually large thing which scares you. Okay. Then comes your no matter. It's your idiom used to say that something is not important. Scatter. Scatter means spread out, to drop something in different direction. Street. A public road in a city or town that has houses and buildings on one side or both sides. Now, let us begin with our little more of the poem. Answer the following questions, all easy. Mention any one thing that you like in the poem. So, what you like in the poem? According to my reading, I will give you my answer. I like the thing what poem wants to do is, he wants to spread smile all over the land and sea. उनको खुशियाँ बिखरानी है सबके चेहरे पे, so that everyone is smiling. Yes, what is 2? How does the poet want to give the smile to children? Number the sentences in sequence and find out. So, these are 4 sentences given to you. You are going to see which will come first. See, I will read all first. Scatter the smiles, find the box, children smile for many days, open the log. So, first, to open the log, you should have that box in your hand. So, this will give the number as 1, find the box. Then you will open the lock of the box. Then you will scatter the smile, and you will see the people, the children smiling for many days. Now, what the third question is telling us to do? Write 2 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. When I was explaining the poem, I made you underline the words of your rhyming words over here. See, first pair is ki, me, and the second word you can have is meet, street. Any more rhyming words if you get, you may write that also. According to me, these are over here right in front of us. So, you will write these 2 pair of rhyming words. Go back to your exercise. What is the second question telling us to do? Then folding and holding. This is the line of the poem. I'd like pack them in. Now why does the poet say this? यानी कि वो क्यों बोलना चाह रहे हैं ये? Then folding and holding, I'd pack them in. मैं फोल्ड करूँगा, उसको होल्ड करूँगा और उसको पैक करके मैं किसी चीज़ में रख दूँगा. दिस इज़ द हिंदी वर्जन यू कैन से. सो वाई डज द पोइट से दिस? ताकि वो क्या चाह रहे थे फोल्ड करके, क्या पैक करना चाह रहे थे? द फ्राउन्स और द फ्राउनिंग people's face or their sadness, whatever they have it in their on the face, we could see by their frowning. So he wanted to catch all their frowns and fold them up and hold and put all of their frowns in the box and put it in it and lock it. So this is the meaning of the sentence that the poet wants us to share. Okay, what is the fifth question? How does the poet plan to get rid of all the frowns? पोएट को फ्राउन्स कैसे rid करना था, वो कैसे, कौन सी लाइन से बताया उन्होंने? You are going to, there are how many? We are having 3 options, select any one. A, by putting them in box and throwing them in the sea. B, by putting them in a box, locking it and then throwing the box in the deep sea. Or the C one, by putting them in a box and after locking it, hiring a giant to throw it in the deep sea. So according to my reading, the C one is correct. Am I right, children? Just check it whether I am right, your teacher is right, and tell whether the teacher is right and give me marks also for this answer. 6A. Draw 2 faces, one with a smile and the other with a frown. Let's see if your teacher can draw the face, one with a smile. So the smile will be this way, the eyes, the nose and the smiling, the broad smile with the little hair on the head. Okay, children, you can draw the way you want to draw. Then I will draw one face which is frowning. Frowning means this way you can make the frowning face with the nose also flat and the eyes very dotted one. Frowning में eyes भी नहीं दिखती है, and you can draw some frowns on the forehead. So now see the next, I have done my drawing. Now just let me know whether my drawing is okay or not. B. Which one do you like and why? आपको ये 2 फेस में कौन सा अच्छा लग रहा है? मेरे हिसाब से तो दोनों ही अच्छे नहीं है. Both are not good because my drawing is not good. Okay. But yeah, of course, your first box drawing is good because there is a smiling face, and this smiling face shows that though you have deep down, you have some sadness, but then too you are keeping your smile up on your face and you always maintain your happiness and show your happiness so that when anyone sees you, they also become happy by seeing you. Don't they? Yes, children. So, I'll stop over here and hope to see your answers and your drawing soon. Share your drawing to me. I'll be loving watching your drawing, children, your smiling face and your sad face. Okay, children, till then we'll wish each other goodbye. Bye, children.